Feeling that loan payment deadline looming? Let's ditch the stress and tackle it hidden using GCash in just a few quick steps. First, unlock your phone and tap the GCash app icon to open it. You know the one. Once you're in, look for the bills payment icon. It's usually located on the main dashboard. Tap that. Okay, now you'll see a list of different bill categories. Find loans and tap it. Next, you'll need to find your specific loan provider. Use the search bar to type in the name of the bank or lending company where you got your loan. Select your loan provider from the list that appears. Make sure you choose the correct one. Now, you'll see a payment form. Fill in the required details accurately. Your loan account number, the amount you want to pay, and your email address. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Review the payment details carefully on the confirmation screen. Make sure the account number and amount are correct. If everything looks good, tap the Pay button at the bottom. Congratulations! Your loan payment is now processed. You'll see a confirmation screen with a reference number. Take a screenshot of this for your records, and you are done.